Hi everyone, my name is Devashish Padhi, M.Tech Computer Science and Engineering from Chikati Mahavidyalaya. Today we'll discuss the fundamental concept of your computer, that is number system. So let us start first. What is number system and what are the different number system present? So let us start today's class, that is number system. When we type some letters or words, the computer translates them in numbers, as computers can understand only numbers. This means that whenever we write something in your computer cannot understand the textual things or the letters, because computer only understand the numbers, binary numbers. That means only two numbers, that is 0 and 1. So whenever we are writing something in your computer, that language must be translated into binary language. For translating this English language to binary language, different types of translators are also available: compiler, interpreter and assembler. We will discuss these things in your future topic, but today we will discuss only number system. The first thing you can remember, whatever things we are writing in the computer, that things must be converted into your binary number system by the help of translators. A computer can understand the positional number system where there are only a few symbols called digits. Okay, in case of positional number system, only digits are present, and digits are identified by their positions, and these symbols represent different values depending on the position. Depending on the position, the digits have different types of values. The value of each digit in a number can be determined using the digit itself, the position of the digit in the number, position in the sense whether it is present in the unit place, tenth place, 100 place or 1000 place. If the number is present in the 1000 place, multiplied by 1000. If the number is present in 100 place, multiplied by 100. Number multiplied by 100. If the number is present in the 10th place, number multiplied by 10. If the number is present in the unit place, number multiplied by 1. Okay, 1000 place means multiplied by 1000. 100 place means multiplied by 100. 10th place means multiplied by 10. Unit place means multiplied by 1. Position means in which position the number is present, whether it is present in unit place, 10th place, 100 place, 1000 place and so on. The base of the number system, where the base is defined as the total number of digits available in the system. Base means whether it is base 2, whether it is base 3, whether it is base 4, whether it is base 8, whether it is base 10, whether it is base 16. Okay, base represent number of digits. That means, for example, base 2 means number of digit is 2, 0 and 1. Base 3 means number of digit is 3, 0, 1, 2. Base 4 means number of digit is 4, 0, 1, 2, 3. Base 5 means number of digit is 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Base 8 means number of digit is 8, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. Okay, so the value of each digit in a number can be determined using the digit itself, the position and the base. Digit, position and the base. Okay. So let us start first number system, that is known as my decimal number system. Mainly we have 4 types of number systems are present: decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. Decimal number system means base 10, 0 to 9. Binary number system means base 2, 0 to 0 and 1. Octal number system means base 8, 0 to 7. Hexadecimal number system means base 16, 0 to 15. Okay, whether it is decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal, we will convert from one number system to another number system. We will discuss in the previous classes. So first we will discuss what is generally decimal number system. Okay, decimal number system is nothing but that number system that we are using in our day-to-day life. For example, 52, 72, 86, 91, 103, 51. The numbers I am using in our day-to-day life, that number system is nothing but my decimal number system. Decimal number system has base 10 and it uses 10 digit. Okay, base 10 and 10 digits are used. What are the 10 digits? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 to 9 means 10. In decimal number system, the successive position to the left of the decimal point represents units, tens, hundreds, thousands and so on. Okay, we will discuss by the help of one example. Each position represents a specific power of the base 10. Okay, for example, the decimal number 1, 2, 3, 4 consists of digit 4 in the unit position. In the unit position, this is the unit position, this is the 10th position, this is the 100th position, this is the 1000th position. 4 is present in the unit position, 3 is present in the 10th position, 2 is present in the 100th position, 1 is present in the 1000th position. Okay, 4 in the unit position, 3 in the 10th position, 2 in the 100th position and 1 in the 1000th position. So how can I write this? Now 1 is present in the 1000th position, so 1 multiplied by 1000. 2 is present in 100th position, so 2 into 100. 3 is present in the 10th position, so 3 into 10. 4 is present in the unit position, so 4 into 1. What I have already told you in the previous slide. Okay, or you can write this thing as 1000 means 10 to power 3, 100 means 10 to power 2, 10 means 10 to power 1 and 1 means 10 to power 0. Anything to power 0 is equal to 1. 10 to power 0 is equal to 1. Or you can understand these things in this way. 1, after 1, how many digits are there? Now 1, 2, 3. So 10 to power 3. After 2, how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. So 10 to power 2. After 3, how many digits are there? 1. So 10 to power 1. After 4, how many digits are there? No digit is present. So 10 to power 0. In this way, you can understand also this decimal number system. So 10 to power 3 into 1, that is 1000. 10 to power 2 is 100 into 2, 200. 10 to power 1 is 10 into 3, 30. 10 to power 0 is 1. Anything to power 0 is equal to 1. 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4. If you add these things, this is known as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I can get 1, 2, 3, 4 at the end. Okay, so this is known as my decimal number system. Okay, then what I have already told you, binary number system means base 2. Only 2 digit is used, that is 0 and 1. Octal number system means base 8. 8 digits are used, 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 digits. Hexadecimal number system means base 16. What are the different digits are used? 0 to 15, 0 to 9 as usual, but after 10 you can write A. 10 means A, 11 means B, 12 means C, 13 means D, 14 means E, 15 means F. Instead of writing 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, you write A, B, C, D, E, F. In place of 10, you can write A. In place of 11, B. In place of 12, C. In place of 13, D. In place of 14, E. In place of 15, F. Okay, this is known as my hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system means 16 numbers are used, 0 to 15, 0 to 9 as usual, then letters A to F. Octal number system means 8 numbers are used, 0 to 7. Binary number system means 2 numbers are used, 0 to 1. And decimal number system means 10 numbers are used, 0 to 9. Next is binary number system. What are the different characteristics of binary number system? The binary number system uses two digits 0 and 1. Okay, and it is also called as base 2 number system. Each position in a binary number represents a 0 power of the base. Base is 2, 2 to power 0. Okay, after that 2 to power 1, 2 to power 2, 2 to power 3, like this. Last position in a binary number represent a x power of the base 2. 2 to power x, x means last position minus 1. Okay, we will discuss one example. We will take one example. Let us consider the number is 10101. This is the binary number system. Why it is called binary number system? The binary number system means it contains only 0 and 1. No other digit is present. Only 0 is present, 1 is present. See, this number only 1 and 0 is present. And what is the base? This is the base 2. Base is written always in this place. You can tell it is a base, or you can say that it is a radix. Base or radix format. But in number system you can tell that it is a base. Okay, so how can I calculate? Now see, this is 1. After 1, how many digits are present? Count. After 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit is present. That means 2 to power 4. 1 into 2 to power 4. After 0, how many digit is present? 3 digit is present. So 0 into 2 to power 3. After 1, how many digit are present? 2. So 1 into 2 to power 2. After 0, how many digit are there? Only 1. So 0 into 2 to power 1. And after 1, how many digit are there? No digit is there. So 2 to power 0. Add all these numbers. 2 to power 4 means 16. 16 multiplied by 16. This is 0 multiplied by anything? 0. 2 to power 2 is 4 into 1, 4. 0 into 2 to power 1. That is 0. 2 to power 0 means 1 into 1. That is 1. Okay. 16 plus 4 plus 1. 21 to power base 10. That means binary number 10101 can be written in decimal format as 21 to power base 10. Okay, that is the conversion from, you can say that is the conversion from binary to decimal number multiplied by 2 to power 2 to power the numbers. Okay. Next, octal number system. Octal number system means base is 8 and 0 to 7 is used. Uses 8 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. also called as base 8 number system. Each position in an octal number represents a 0 power of the base 8, that is 8 to power 0, then 8 to power 1, 8 to power 2, so on. Last position in an octal number represents a x power of the base 8. Example, 8 to power x. What is x? X is the last position minus 1. Okay, we will take one example. So let us consider this is an octal number system. Why? Now the numbers are from 0 to 7. Okay, after 7 no number is present. 1, 2, 5, 7, 0. Within 0 to 7. If I can write 12580, that is not an octal number system. Okay, so how can I calculate octal to decimal? This is the octal number 12570. I can convert this octal number into decimal number system. So 1 in the similar manner, but instead of writing 2 to power, here we can write 8 to power. So 1 into, how many digits are there after 1? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 into 8 to power 4 plus 2 into, how many digits are there after 2? 1, 2, 3. Okay, after 5, 2, 8 to power 2. After 7, 8 to power 1. After 0, no digit is there, so 8 to power 0. And always remember, anything to power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the calculation of your number 8 to power 4, that is 4096 multiplied by 1, 4096. Okay, this is 1024, 320, 56, and it is 0 multiplied by anything is 0, and this is the result 5496 base 10. Okay, last one is your hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system means 0 to 9 as usual, then A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 11, C is equal to 12, D is equal to 13, E is equal to 14, F is equal to 15. 0 to 9 you can write in as usual form, then you can write 10 as A, 11 as B, 12 as C, 13 as D, 14 as E, 15 as F. Then how to convert this hexadecimal number to decimal number system? In the similar manner, instead of writing 8 to power, here I can write 16 to power. Okay, after 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are there. So 1 into 16 to power 4. After 9, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. So 9 into 16 to power 3. After F, 2 numbers are there. So F into 16 to power 2. After D, 1 number is there. D into 16 to power 1. After it, E, no number is present. So 16 to power 0. 16 to power 0 means 1. So 1 into 16 to power 4. 9 into 16 to power 3. F means 15. 15 into 16 to power 12, 2. And D means 13. 13 into 16 to power 1. E means 14 into 16 to power 0. 16 to power 0 is 1. 1 into 14 is equal to 14. And the result is 106462. So in this way, you can convert binary to decimal, 2 to power, multiply 2 to power, octal to decimal, multiplied by 8 to power, hexadecimal to decimal, multiplied by 16 to power. Always remember, binary to decimal, multiplied by 2 to power, octal to decimal, multiplied by 8 to power, hexadecimal to decimal, multiplied by 16 to power. Okay, so this is all about your today's class. If any doubt is there, please ask me. Thank you.